Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your location on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access the particular browser on your mobile phone, and simply go ahead, go to the search bar and simply type in zoosk.com and simply search it up. Once you have got it, simply tap on this first official website of it, and then you're gonna go ahead get logged in as well. Once you have simply logged into your account, you're simply gonna go ahead tap on your profile that will be on top right corner of the screen, and near your username you're gonna find this option called edit. Right, once you have tapped on it, then you're gonna find this information regarding your profile, and in the below section you will find this information regarding your city. You can go ahead change your new city name, or you can simply enter your zip postal code. Once you have entered the new one, correct one, you can tap on the save changes that will be given below. Once you have tapped on the save, and then your changes will be saved, and that's how you can simply do it. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.